Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here guys, this is an outline infographics. This is quite simple to create and much informative and attractive. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Just click on insert option over here and you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. Now what you have to do, you just have to click on insert option, which I have already clicked on, and choose a donut shape from shape option. Just press Ctrl and shift together and drag it to make it bigger like this. Okay, now place it over here. Before doing this, I'm going to enable the guide. So just right click over here. Here you will find a grid and guide option. Just click on that and choose guide. Now click on this shape, click on arrange. Here you will find align option, align center. Again click on arrange, align middle. Okay, now you have to drag this yellow dot to the left so that we can make it more thinner like this. Now what you have to do, click on format option and make it no outline like this. Now click on insert option. Again you have to choose the rectangle option from the shape and drag it over here randomly. For now I'm going to make it no outline, and I'm going to change the shape fill to any other color so that we can differentiate between these two shapes. Now the motive of enabling the guide here is to place the rectangle over the quarter of this donut. Okay, so now put the rectangle over here, select the donut, press Ctrl and select the rectangle. Here you will find the merge shape option. Just click on that and say subtract, means we don't want this extra part over here. Got it guys? Now again click on insert option. You have to choose a rectangle over here. Just drag a rectangle like this, make it no outline, and for now I'm going to change the shape fill to any other color like this, yellow. And now you have to make it thinner as well as make it smaller like this. Slightly zoom in, place this over here. Now select this shape, zoom out from here. Let me change the shape fill to any other color so that we can see it. Like I'm going to make it black. Make it smaller like this. Again I'm going to select all this shape. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, again I'm going to choose an insert option and we'll choose this isosceles triangle option from here. Now drag an isosceles triangle like this and make it no outline here, and click on rotate option and say rotate 90 degree. Just put this triangle over here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes and press here. You will find merge shape option. Just click on union like. Now what we'll do, we'll duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D. Just click on arrange option. Here you will find the rotate option. Just click on that and choose more rotation option over here. Rotate it by 45 degree. Press enter and delete this previous shape. Now what you have to do, you just have to duplicate this shape. Again click on arrange option and choose a rotate option over here. Just click more rotation option and feed 135 degree over here. Now place this shape over here. Look, this tail will be in the middle of this arrow, like you have to place it over here. Okay guys. Okay, again press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape. Click on arrange option over here, flip it vertically and again flip it horizontally and place it over here. just in the middle like this. Okay, now again duplicate this shape, flip it vertically, and again flip it horizontally. Put this shape over here just in the middle like this. Okay guys, so this is the shape we have to create over here. So now we'll have to change the shape fill. So select this shape, click on format option. Here you will find shape fill option. Choose orange shape over here. Now for this I'm going to choose the random color for each shape group. So for this shape I'm going to use this particular color. Now for this shape I'm going to use something, let me select some other color, like I'm going to use this orange color over here. And for this shape what I'm going to use, I'm going to use this color. Okay guys, so you have to select the color randomly as per your requirement guys. So press Ctrl A and press Ctrl G. You can press Ctrl Z to group it, or right click over here. Here you will find the group option, shake group. Now click on arrange and select the align middle inside the align option, and again I'm going to choose the align center option from here. Okay guys, now we have to put this text over here. So I'm going to copy this text group, press Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste it over here like this. Click on insert option. Here you have to add a horizontal line over here. So I'm going to put this line over here and make the color of line like this. Okay guys, so this is the text you have to put. Let me introduce you what kind of text I'm using in this particular infographic. So for the step text I'm using Humans 777 and the size is 36. For the heading I'm using a square 720 bt and the size is 10.5. and for the this text I'm using Calibri body, but the size I'm going to increase a little bit, like I'm going to select all this text and increasing the size of the text to this much. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a group of these text by pressing Ctrl G and pressing Ctrl D to duplicate it and putting it over here on the second. Again pressing Ctrl D to duplicate this one more time and putting it over here. Again pressing Ctrl D to duplicate it, and I'm putting it over here like this. So now what you have to do, you just have to change the step text. Like I'm going to make it 3 and I'm going to make it 4. Finally you have to put this text over there. So I'm again going to copy this text, and I will explain which type of text I'm using for the center text. I'm going to paste it over here like this and putting it something here in the middle. So as you can see here, I'm again using Humans 777 and the size is 18. For this I'm using the same text, and for this I'm using the same text guys. So I think there is no any issue with this. You can do it very easily. So the final thing we have to do is we have to choose an gradient fill background for this. As you can see, as I have click on the gradient fill, it will automatically fetch the color of the previous slide, actually background color of the previous slide guys, because I have using this color in the previous slide. So if you're getting any issues with the changing the background color or choosing a gradient color for the background, so you can simply click on the handles, either on left or right handles, and here you will find the color option here over here. Okay, So I will choose this white color for the left handle and this light gray color for the right handle, as you can see here. Okay, one more thing, there is a type is radial. As you can see, the gradient color is spreaded radially over the slide, and you can change the directions, like you have the 5 by default direction options over here. So if you're watching my videos regularly, then you have a clean idea about this, guys. So I think there is no need to explain these things. These are the very basic things, and you already know it. So this is the infographics, 4-step infographics, and I explain how you can create it very easily in less time, guys. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.